Okay, so right now we're going to explain another concept that's called exponent. And actually we already saw this concept in the previous lessons. Like we have already saw that x with power of 3, x with power of 2, and we all write them in the polynomial. Like we write that x power 3 plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 maybe equal to 0 or something like that. But now we're gonna to know some properties and how to calculate exponents right now, so we can have a fully understand about exponents. So just do a really quick review. That a squared, which we can also read it as a with power of 2, it means that 2a times each other. Okay, I think that is something that you guys already familiar with. And so we can extend that with a with power of 3. That means 3a times each other. And then we can write a with power of n. That means we got a that appear n times in here, and they all times each other. So the way we express exponent, you can see here, the bottom one, a, this one, we'll call it base. It's the base of this number. So we will say a is the base and n is the exponent. Okay, so next time when you hear someone say, what's the base of x squared, then you can tell him, okay, it's x, this is base, this part is base, and this is exponent. No, exponent. Okay, and let's look some property of it. So you might think, okay, so today we got 3a, we got a with power of 3. But today we got a with power of 0. What is it? So the mathematics, they define that a with power of 0 is 1. And pay attention to this. Any number without 0 could be a, because 0 with power of 0 is no meaning. It have no meanings. And why? So when we are writing the exponent, we want to do is to make the equation become easier and easy to read. So we write x with power 3, that represents 3x times each other. And we write x with 0, that means no x times each other, and they define this as 1. Okay, but when you write 0 with on the other example, 0 with power 3, that means 0 times each other. But 0 with power of 0, it can represent anything. So this is no meaning. You can't give it any figures or number. And then next we're going to look at this a with power of minus n. So if your exponent is a figure, a negative figure, then what you do is you move the base with its exponent, positive exponent, to the denominator. So let's give an example. 3 with -1 as its exponent, then that will become 1/3. 5 with -2 as its exponent, we can get 5 squared, 1/5 squared, and this will be 1/25. Okay, so there are two properties that we're going to discuss in this lessons, and that one is that any number with the base but not 0, remember, no 0, with power of 0 will always become 1. So no matter it's 3 with power 0, that is 1. 25 with power 0, that's 1. 68 with power 0, that is 1. Okay, and let's move on to see some example for this video. So first we got 6 with power of 0, so we can look above any number but not 0 with power of 0, they'll become 1. So that's easy, just write 1. And second, it's the same. Today, although the base we got here is negative number, it's the same. If you got a rational number here, like 1/3 with power of 0, you still got 1. Yeah. So you got 1. That's answer. That's answer. And here we got 3 with -2. Base is 3. -2 is the exponent. So we have to move 3 to the bottom, and with its positive exponent, and then 1 in the numerator. But it doesn't end. We have to calculate 3 squared, which is 9/1. And that's the answer. Okay, and here we got 9 with -1 as its power. So we will write this, but we can ignore the 1 here, so we just erase it, and then that will be our answer. Okay, and for this one, we also got a -1. So what we're going to do for this one, we didn't just put them in the numerator, because this will look like this. That's really hard to understand, right? So today, if you got a rational number inside here, I should just exchange the numerator and the denominator. You switch their place. Okay, that would be 4/3, and that will be our answer. So what you did is you take 4 to the numerator, and then you bring 3 to the denominator. Okay, and the last part we got here is 1/7 with power of -2. So we're gonna write, okay, do it slowly, 7 with power of 2 in the denominator and 1 in the numerator. Then we can get, what is 7 squared? That is 49 in denominator, and numerator is 1. So that's our answer. And that's all for the first class of Exponent. We gonna to have second. Yeah, but this is like the intro of Exponent. That's all. See you all.